In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to query another sheet in Google Sheets. We'll bring data from one spreadsheet into another using a simple, reliable formula. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect two files and pull in the exact range you need. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, the Google Apps launcher. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to query. Once it's open, look at the address bar. You'll see a long URL. Highlight and copy the spreadsheet address up to, but not including, the word Edit. That portion contains the unique file identifier that Google Sheets needs. If you prefer, you can copy the entire URL. Either works with the formula we're about to use. Now switch to, or open, the other spreadsheet, the one where you want the results to appear. Click into the cell where you want the imported data to start. We're going to use the IMPORTRANGE function, which securely reaches into another spreadsheet and returns a block of cells. Type an equals sign, then the word IMPORTRANGE. It should look like this as you begin. IMPORTRANGE. Next, type a double quote. Paste the URL you copied, and type another double quote. After that quoted URL, type a comma to move to the second argument of the function. Now enter the range string. This tells Sheets exactly what tab and cells to pull. The format is sheet name, 1D, or whatever range you need. For example, Sales, A1F, would import columns A through F from the Sales tab, starting at row 1. Make sure the tab name matches exactly, including capitalization and spaces, and include the exclamation mark between the tab name and the cell range. When you finish the range, close the parenthesis so your full formula looks something like IMPORTRANGE, Spreadsheet URL, Sales A1F. Press Enter. The first time you connect two files, Google Sheets may prompt you to grant access between them. That's expected, and once access is confirmed, your data will load into the destination sheet. If you see any errors, double-check that the URL is complete, the tab name is correct, and that you used quotes around both the URL and the range string. That's it. You've successfully queried another sheet using IMPORTRANGE. From here, you can sort, filter, or even layer additional formulas on top of the imported data to analyze it further, all while keeping the source spreadsheet as your single source of truth.